Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Kindercrafts by Aditi. As you all know, Daughter's Day is just around the corner, so we have come up with some creative gift ideas this season. 5 unique DIY gifting ideas which covers gifts from home decor, accessories and many more things. But before we begin, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's start with an easy wall decor DIY. Things required: some embroidery hoops of different sizes. These are easily available in the market. Use any discarded cloth with print or pattern. In my case, I have taken my mother's old suit. A pair of scissors. Select any desired print complementing with each other. In this, I have chosen 2 patterns from a single cloth. Using the plain piece of cloth, we'll be doing a simple DIY. Begin by placing the inside ring on the floor and place the cloth over it. Placing the cloth vertically. Use the another ring to lock it. Make sure there are no wrinkles. After completely stretching the cloth, screw it nicely and lock the frames. Like this. Once it is tightly locked, cut the extra cloth. You can even use a glue gun to secure the cloth piece. Flip it and trim the excess. Now let's do some simple DIY on the plain embroidery hoop. Made 4 to 5 brown color tassels to match with the complete theme. Paste these in whatever pattern you feel like. I am just sewing it horizontally in a descending order. This will match very well with the other 2 hoops. For the tutorial on how to make the tassels, please watch till the end. Just cut off the extra portion. And here comes the final look of the wall hanging DIY. It's a very simple, easy and quick DIY and does not cost you much. Do try this out and let me know in the comment section below how it came up. Watch ahead for some other DIY gifting options for this Daughter's Day. Next in line is a DIY ribbon coaster. Things required: 3 different colored ribbons. You can create patterns with the color combinations of your choice. The little one ran away with the raw material. Coming back to our coaster, take the 3 ribbons and sew it from one end. You can even tie a knot temporarily. Ask somebody to hold it and start braiding. I have taken approximately 2 meters of each ribbon. This will take merely 2 minutes. After completing it, secure it by tying a knot temporarily at the other end as well. Longer the braid, bigger will be the size of the coaster. Sew both the ends. You can even use a good adhesive or a glue gun to secure the ends. Cut off the extra portion. Now start rotating it inwards like a coil. Keep on securing it with every turn or 2 using a glue gun or thread and needle. Do it very patiently. Be a little cautious while sewing it, else you might end up pricking your fingers many a times. Don't worry even if it's not being done very neatly, as it won't show up on the main base. Make sure that the end has been secured very neatly. Cut the extra thread. The ribbon coaster is now ready. Why gift her just a mug when you can team it up with a DIY coaster and make this Daughter's Day extra special? Hope you like this simple, easy DIY coaster technique. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon and get notifications of the latest videos. DIY gift is a hair accessory scrunchie. For this you need a rectangular piece of cloth, thread, needle, pair of scissors and elastic band. The length needs to be approximately 40 centimeters. Fold the piece inwards. Sew the folded side as shown. This part can even be done on a sewing machine. It will be quite quick and easy. The technique used in this video is blanket stitch by hand. It comes out to be neat and stays longer. After you have completed this part, next take a safety pin and tuck it on one end of the piece of cloth. Insert it from one end and pull it out from the other end. It's an easy trick to reverse the cloth and hide the stitch side. Be a little patient while pulling the cloth. Once it's done, remove the safety pin from the cloth. Now you can see it looks very neat and tidy. Now take the elastic thread. It should be approximately 25 to 27 cm as compared to 40 cm of your cloth. The difference will give more elasticity to your scrunchie. Tie it with the safety pin and again pull it out from the other end. Take the two ends of the elastic and make a firm knot. Insert the knotted part and now sew the remaining ends using a thread and needle. DIY scrunchie is ready. You can even use your old t-shirts, leggings or any pattern to make the scrunchies. It looks so colorful, bright and easy on hair. Let me show you the final look. What better gift for your daughter this Daughter's Day? Do try this out and share your experiences in the comment section below. This one is my favorite DIY. It is a socks doll. To make this you need a pair of old socks, some polywool for the stuffing, a matching thread to highlight the part, black and red anchor threads for facial features, needle for the anchor thread, light colored wool for the hair and a pair of scissors. Start by stretching the socks and filling it with the stuffing. Fill it generously. The more the stuffing, better will be the look of the doll. Three-fourths of the socks has been filled up. Time to define the legs and arms using a thread and needle. The sewing can be easily done after filling up the socks. Choose any point on the lower half of the sock. Make sure it's the center which divides into two equal parts. It needs to be done straight till the bottom. After completing it, secure the thread by tying a knot on the back side. In the same way, we'll create the arms. Sewing has to be done as a slight curve. Follow the same process for the other arm as well. Furthermore, with the help of thread, we can create the neck by sewing it and twining the thread multiple times to give it a firm knot. Draw the features using a pencil. Let's do the detailing using the anchor thread. Even if you are a beginner, don't worry, the sewing is not much of a task. Or else, as a substitute, you can use a fabric marker. Some more stuffing to the head before sewing it. Do not bother if you are not able to do it very neatly. It won't be visible because of the hair. Now as you can see, we are done with the 90% of the work and just left with the hair. Now any hairstyle can be done as per your preference. You can go for a fancy hairstyle like this or simply take few wool strands and make two ponytails out of it. These can be either sewn or simply pasted with a glue gun. For the presentation, I have taken an old wedding invite box, glued 4 broomsticks at the corners and topped it up with a paper lantern to give it a look of a hot air balloon. Don't forget to subscribe to Kindercrafts by Aditi for more such creative ideas. The last DIY is on tassel earring. For this you need colorful thread or yarn, a matching thread, needle, earring hook. These are available online. To buy these, I'll attach the link in the description box below. Cut around 60 strands of 8 inches each. Lay it flat, take the center and fold it. Tie it with the matching thread. You can even use a rubber band for tying. As seen in this video, tie it 2 inches from the top. After tying, roll the thread a few times to make it firm. Pass the thread a few times from within the loop. This will make it tidy and neat. Now attach the earring hook on top of it. Secure it with multiple turns. Take another strand of thread or yarn and tie it around the neck. This is to hide the thread used beneath. Now place the ready earring and cut it evenly. Create another piece in a similar manner. Match it by cutting it evenly. And your DIY tassel earrings is ready. These can be made in any color matching with your outfit. They are easy to wear and will totally go for your traditional look and a westernized look as well. Hope you liked all the DIY gifting options for Daughter's Day.